Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to explore Runway ML to generate videos for us. So in this video we are going to see different methods of creating videos from the Runway ML. So here in the sidebar you have different options. And I'm going to select the text to video option here. Here you can see there are 3 models which we can use. We are going to use the Gen-3 alpha model first. This model gives us the option of generating videos through the text prompts. So here let me give one simple text prompt, an animated video of a girl in a village. And let's see what sort of video it generates. So as you can see, it has generated a very beautiful animated video of a girl. This you can use in your story videos. Okay, so now let's see another model, which is the Gen-3 Alpha Turbo model. So it gives us the option to choose the portrait or the landscape size. And let's crop it, because we are going to use the portrait size. And let's give it a text prompt. So let's say, I want to have this aircraft flying across city buildings. And let's see what sort of video it generates for a 5-second clip. And as you can see, it has generated such a realistic-looking video of an aircraft flying across the buildings. Okay, so now let's check the Gen-2 model. It gives us option to do the free previews of the pics from text prompts. And I can see 4 beautiful images are generated, so I'm going to choose one as my input image. And let's see based on that what kind of video it produces. So now if I click on Generate Video, I can see a very beautiful video created by the Gen-2 model. Kindly hit the like and subscribe button if you like the video. Thank you.